What is a parliamentary session and how does it end? You might see in the news at the moment there's talk about this parliamentary session coming to an end, but what does that actually mean? Parliament sessions, they don't run from January to December, they run from a King's speech until prorogation. We'll talk about prorogation in another video. The King's speech is when the government lays out all of the bills it wants to put before Parliament, and then it spends between 1 and 2 years taking all of these bills through all of the different processes. Once all of the bills have been dealt with and made into legislation or defeated, at that point that parliamentary session comes to an end and there's another King's speech comes in to do it all over again. Now you could ask, why don't you just do one session that lasts the entire term of Parliament? The key reason for that is, as we're seeing at the moment, global events and just life in general can change priorities, change the order that you do things, and also to work up legislation can take time. So whilst there is a parliamentary session going on at the moment, a lot of the work for the next parliamentary session is being done in the background so that by the time the King says his next speech, which is coming up in May, we will then have everything will be progressed and it'll not just be starting from the very beginning. So now you know